Good morning, people.
Turn
What's
right.
happening? It's a little bit fog this morning. I'm in Ober Morlen. Now I have to deliver 5 windows. This is the today
Please
is
follow the route for 2 kilometers.
16 December, and I have to deliver this. Then I'm driving further. I don't know where. It's not too much far away from here. I should be in a company about 1 o'clock today, so it's easy tour today. This company is in industry zone, so it's nice. I don't have to think about unloading and everything. It's a nice place to unload. Camera here. Diesel is today €1.04. Still had good price. Here after this curve is one tight street, so I hope there will not be trucks or buses. Okay, not so tight, but it's tight enough to have problems in this couple of meters here. Whoa. Just a little bit.
After 400 meters, take the third left.
Come on, lady. Just give a gas.
Turn left.
Okay, the whole morning is fog, so we will see what happens later, but it's 6.5 degrees outside. It's nice. Not so big problem, but Nice.
After 200 meters at the traffic circle, take the first exit.
The company is just here over
Take
the
the
corner.
first exit.
I will come back later here to buy breakfast and some bread for today. I was
After
forget to
200
buy
meters,
yesterday
turn left.
and
Onto Boschstrasse.
I was eat without bread last night, but it's okay.
Turn left.
Good. I don't want to go left, lady. It's wrong direction.
After 200 meters at the traffic circle, take the third exit.
This is right direction.
Take the third exit.
Okay.
After 200 meters, you will arrive at waypoint. Then, make a U-turn.
Okay, the company is somewhere here, on the left side. But
Passing waypoint.
okay, they are here. Nice. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, people. I need to finish those papers. So paper I finished. Now I'm going to another custom. Going to this custom. But first I have to drive to buy some breakfast. I only have to see how much I have. Frankenstrasse, good. Everything is set. And I'm going. This shop is not far away from here. Couple of minutes, so I'm going to buy something to eat and later drive further.
second exit. Turn right. Then, at the traffic circle, take the second exit. After 100 meters, at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
I will leave my truck here, like every German citizen, and I'm going to buy something. See you guys later. Okay, people. I was buying some food and most important, the coffee. Now it's 10:30 and I was drinking only one coffee, so it's time to another one. Yes. I'm continuing a couple of minutes more and that will be all for this video because
take the second exit.
I'm going to highway and I will film another one, but from later, a little bit later. Now it's a little bit less of fog and it's great.
After 200 meters, take the second right. Turn right.
Okay, nice.
Please follow the route for 2 kilometers.
I need to wash my truck, but I think I will wait until tomorrow because there is no sense to wash now. It will be in 1 hour filthy. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we have now 30. Let's see what's happening.
Short curve left.
Good. I have only one door and one glass. Maybe together is 100 kilos, 70, 80, I don't know. So I can say I'm completely empty. Couple of empty boxes and that's all. So I can drive without fear. I have yesterday one big window. It was 9 square meters. Let's go, Grandpa. 3 meter is 3 meter is high, 3 meter is wide. So okay, thank you. And it was really stress. I should unload today. That it was my last customer, but I was changed the tour and drive from the last customer because I didn't want to stress today to drive all day with me. It is crazy window. I don't know, without some in the middle plastic tile or something, I don't know. But last time my colleague was broke that window when he tried to unload. So I was think about that, and customer called me and told me, hey, please don't broke the window like last time. And so I was unload. Oh, okay, I'm going to another side. Good. Please don't broke the window, and yeah, and hopefully everything was delivered on time and without damage. And it is more easy to do that kind of window, you know. You have, it's over the Gestelle, over the boxes, about 1 meter, and you have problem to tight it and everything, you know. It's really crazy when you have to drive long distance with that. But hopefully I was finished yesterday and now it's good.
Turn left.
I also said I don't like to drive only glasses, you know, because sometimes it's really hard to secure them and everything. But okay, there is not chance. Look at that, he's slippering there is nothing, you know, small hill. This job is not normal driving job, because you have to unload and load by self, and it's crazy sometimes. For example, when I unload that window yesterday, I didn't have, okay man, I didn't have possibility to step over 4 centimeter hallway, I don't know the name, trottoir or something like that. I didn't have, so I had to, it's not big window, but I don't know what happened, so I have to put it on the floor. Then from another side there is a lot of the traffic there, and it was really crazy situation. But for example, when you drive for, you go to big company, go to the ramp, unload, and that's all. Most of the case they will unload you. So guy from Turkey. So people, I think it is enough for this video. I will see you later when I arrive near this place. Okay. Yeah, I have to go highway, then later few kilometers without highway. We will see you soon. Bye. Have a nice day.
Follow through for 8 kilometers.